what is intended to replace the percentage that the A-10 was doing in terms of close air support in the immediate future would be the other aircraft such as F-16, F-15E, and so forth that are capable of doing that.
Tell me again, the so forth here?
F-15E, F-16, B-1 bombers, some of our unmanned
The B-1
vehicles.
bomber will now be used for close air support?
So it is my belief that the B-1 bomber has done some close air support in Afghanistan. So we would cover it with existing aircraft, and of course, down the line.
That's a remarkable statement. That doesn't comport with any experience I've ever had, nor anyone I know has ever had. See, this is an example. You're throwing in the B-1 bomber as a close air support weapon to replace the A-10. This is the reason why there is such incredible skepticism here in the Congress. And believe me, we will, under the present environment, I can't speak for the committee. I can only speak for myself and several others. You will not pursue the elimination of the finest close air support weapons system in the world with answers like that. So I hope you will come up with something that is credible to those of us who have been engaged in this business for a long, long time.